The Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) camera completed production of the first batch of 8 single-seat JF-17 Thunder Block 3 for the Pakistan Air Force (PAF) in late December. The aircraft were rolled out during an official ceremony held in Kamra on December 31, 2021. According to a statement by the PAF, Khan congratulated PAC Kamra and its Chinese partners for the successful accomplishment of the 2021 production target and on completing the first 8 single-seat JF-17 aircraft in a record time of 5 months. He also noted that the JF-17 constitutes the backbone of the PAF and is battle-proven as a result of combat missions conducted in February 2019 against the Indian Air Force (JAF). Pakistan at the time claimed that IAF fighters were engaged with beyond visual range air-to-air missiles BVRAAM fired from a JF-17 Block 2. One Indian MiG-21 was shot down and the pilot captured. The JF-17 Block 3 aircraft will be available in an attack variant. The first prototype of the Block 3 was reportedly completed in late 2019 and made its maiden flight in April 2021. The aircraft has a deeper dorsal spine and an added fuel capacity in comparison to other one-seat JF-17 variants. In addition to the 8 aircraft rolled out in late December, the PAF expects to receive a further 14 JF Block 3 in 2022 and 4 more in 2023, according to the chairman of the PAC. Notably, while JF-17 Block I and II variants are reportedly powered by a Chinese license-built Klimov Rode 93 Ma turbofan engine, the Block 3 version is expected to receive the Rode -93 MA. F-17 Block 3 fighters will apparently receive a new electronic warfare system, upgraded avionics including a 3-axis fly-by-wire digital flight control system, a helmet-mounted display and sight system, and Pakistan's first Chinese-made active electronically scanned array AESA radar system. According to the PAF Air Chief, the Nanjing Research Institute of Electronics Technologies KLJ-7A radar